Hello, my name is Doug Stewart and I'm the Vice President of Technology and Innovation at Daegis. I'm excited to show you our new technology-assisted review solution called Acumen. Acumen is built into the Daegis eDiscovery platform and is designed to help our clients reduce the high costs associated with document review while increasing accuracy and defensibility. Acumen reduces the number of documents for first-pass review by up to 70 to 90%, cutting first-pass review costs by up to 50%. So let's take a look at how Acumen works. So first off, I've logged into the Daegis eDiscovery platform into the Acumen enabled project. I've logged in with sufficient user rights, so when I go to the admin drop-down menu, I can get into the Acumen management page. So let's go there now. So once on the Acumen management page, there's a couple key pieces of information that the page provides to me. The first is the process overview, which is this section. Acumen is a fully integrated and process-driven solution for predictive coding or technology-assisted review. And the Daegis system walks you through step by step, ensuring and enforcing the process where necessary to ensure defensibility, but also giving you the flexibility to run your reviews as you need to run them. So this current review is in the improvements phase. And as you can see, it's in progress, and the improvements phase is that heads down phase where the reviewers are providing just optimal training to the system so it can learn how to distinguish between responsive and non-responsive documents. The second part of the screen here gives me the real-time metrics on exactly where I stand within this review project. So you can see these first two columns here give me my overall status. It shows me that I have roughly 40,000 documents in my document population. I've looked at roughly 3,500 of those, and the total review time has been approximately 1 hour. And then, more importantly, it also gives me the real-time accuracy metrics of the predictive technologies that Daegis is using in Acumen. So now I can see that I have a real-time snapshot that's showing me that the system is assessing its accuracy at 67% for the F1 score, and that's broken down into a recall of 65% and a precision of 69%. It also shows me the prevalence of responsive documents being found in the entire corpus, which is 4%. It also then breaks out those numbers for me and extends them out to whole numbers. So I can get a quick snapshot on exactly how the process is running and make vital determinations on the various steps and phases within the process. But for those who require just a quick visual snapshot, we also built in a dashboard for our technology-assisted review product. And the dashboard gives me the same accuracy numbers, but also allows me to come in and pick a goal. What will constitute success here? So what I can say is, well, maybe I want an overall recall of 80% and I want a precision of 85%. When I save that back in, now it shows me that I'm at 81% of my goal for recall, 81% of my goal for precision, as well as 81% of my F1. So I can see exactly where I am relative to my goal at any given point within the Acumen process. We also built in a cost calculator, so I can say, hey, I know it's costing me something on the order of $1.50 per document to do this review, meaning the eyes-on reviews. And what our calculator does then is gives you the real-time metrics on how much your review will cost and how much you've saved to date over a traditional linear review process. But more importantly, this very last number down here I think is really key. This number down here is the marginal cost of your gained accuracy. So really it's showing you that in this case it cost us $1,050 to get the last 1.4% gain in our F1 accuracy, which is a vital number when you're trying to determine proportionality in a review. You know, when is enough? And we think that this marginal cost number here will give you the information that you need to make your proportionality argument. So you have your accuracy to help you with defensibility, and you also have your cost numbers to help you with proportionality. At the same time, the Acumen system gives you a nice real-time overview of the entire process. It gives you a graph of your accuracy numbers, as well as gives you this line chart, or almost like a Gantt chart, of the real-time process to show you which phase you're in, how long you were in each one of those phases. Additionally, the dashboard provides some nice tutorials on how do we go about measuring accuracy within the Acumen system? So we built in this tutorial called Accuracy for Attorneys, and it takes you through very gently, step by step, explaining what the terms mean and then building on those terms to make sure that our users understand the concepts behind the Acumen system. So as you go through these approximately 20 slides with very little text, a lot of visuals, you can gently be stepped through to really understand the sophistication built into the Acumen system. We also provide you a process map to quickly be able to assess exactly what each stage is and where it is falls within the entire process, but also more importantly what's going on in that stage. And so that's a handy reference guide if you needed some more information about, say, the improvement cycle, which this project is currently in. And then we also provide a very detailed glossary, so you can come in and look up all of the terms that are discussed in any of the components of the Acumen system. And then most importantly, I think, is the info summary report that we provide. And this is a real-time document that can be generated at any point within the process. It will pull the real-time information from the Acumen technology-assisted review data and provide you with these real-time metrics. So first of all, it goes through and tells you exactly where you stand in terms of your overall accuracy. It gives you the error bars or the confidence intervals listed even. And then more importantly, what it does is it breaks down and gives you this nice narrative report that tells you exactly how the sampling and how the system is working, and then tells you on a incident by incident basis exactly maintains an audit trail basically of the entire process, so you can go back and defend that process if necessary. We have it extensively footnoted as well as references cited in the end, so if you need to, you can go pull those additional resources to help defend the process. So ultimately, though, it walks you through step by step, tells you exactly what was done in the process, has that fully documented, and provides you the resources to help ensure defensibility. So overall, Daegis has built the Acumen system to be process-driven and to enforce the process where necessary to ensure that defensibility is always maintained throughout the process. So that concludes this overview of the Acumen system and dashboard. For more information or a more in-depth demo, please email us at info@daegis.com. That's info@daegis.com. Be sure to check back for other videos on our technology-assisted review offering and other key features of our platform, including self-ingestion and self-export. So thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.